In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email to allowed domains in Google Ads, and we'll be going through this process step by step. So whether you're new to Google Ads or just need a quick refresher, I've got you covered. To begin, you'll want to navigate over to the Google Ads homepage. You can do this by simply typing in Google Ads into your browser's search bar and selecting the official site from the search results. Once the homepage loads, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials if you aren't already logged in. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to Google Ads Home, which is essentially your dashboard. Now that you've accessed the Google Ads Home, locate and click on the Admin option. This selection is usually found on the top right corner of the screen, or alternatively, you might find it as a menu item on your left, depending on your interface settings or updates. The admin section provides you access to all the settings configurations necessary for managing your ads account effectively. Next, we're moving on to the Access and Security tab. Once you're in the admin area, look for this option, which is typically among the first few choices you'll see. Click on Access and Security to proceed, as this is where you can manage the security aspects of your Google Ads account, including user permissions and domain configurations. When you're in the Access and Security menu, you'll see the option to add a new user. Locate the Add button. Clicking here will allow you to initiate the process of adding an email to your allowed domains. This is a crucial step, as it lets you specify which domains are permitted to have access to your account, enhancing the security measure of your account by ensuring that only trusted parties have access. Now, you'll need to find and click on the Security button. It's within this section that you'll find more granulated security options. Following that, click on Allowed Domains. This option enables you to define which domains can interact with your Google Ads account, providing a secure environment and ensuring that only emails from approved domains can access specific features. Adding domains to this list is a great way to prevent unauthorized emails from gaining access to your account. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the path to add an email to allowed domains on Google Ads. This simple yet effective method ensures that your Google Ads account maintains its integrity and security by permitting access only from safe, verified domains. Be sure to periodically review your allowed domains and update them as necessary to keep your account secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful in optimizing your Google Ads security settings.